At this year's Geneva Motor Show, there was one small company from Croatia that has doubled in size in 2018. That company is Rimac. Their first all-electric car, the Concept 1, produced 1,224 horsepower. Their second car, the C2, was launched last year and is the most powerful electric hypercar ever. They plan to build 150 of these cars, and you can expect to see them on the road in 2020. Now, all 150 were sold out in 3 weeks at a price close to 1.8 million euros. The C2 has a 4-motor powertrain system, which means 4-wheel drive, 1 motor for each wheel. And this produces 1,914 horsepower. That equates to 1.4 megawatts. The top speed is 258 miles per hour. This car is all designed in-house and only weighs 1,950 kg. That weight is due to the full carbon fiber monocoque. That is the biggest single carbon piece in the industry. Including the roof, it weighs just 200 kilograms. The car produces 2,300 Newton meters of torque, which means it has a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 1.85 seconds. The 120 kilowatt hour battery claims to give 550 kilometers of range. The example that is displayed at the Geneva Motor Show is finished in galactic white and deep blue tinted carbon fiber elements. The interior is handcrafted in-house, which features a matte carbon fiber, petroleum blue leather and contrast stitching. On the side of the car you can see the company's signature tie design. This also acts as an air intake for the cooling system. The butterfly doors are rather interesting. When opened, they take part of the sills with them. This allows generous space to get in and out of the car. In previous versions of the design, the wheel alloys have been designed to channel air to the carbon ceramic brakes, whilst also allowing smooth airflow to the flanks of the car. The bonnet is designed to modify the car's aerodynamic profile, and it does have an active rear wing. There are also a couple of rear flaps that channel the cooling air which comes out of the rear tail lights. One of the most interesting features of the car is the AI technology, which is capable of loading racetracks into the onboard systems. This gives the driver information on racing lines, braking and acceleration points, and steering info. It also features facial recognition to open and start the car. Overall, this car looks absolutely electrifying. It sits really low, which gives it a very good aerodynamic profile, and features like the butterfly doors and the suspension means that it will be a comfortable place to be. Rimac is taking the world by storm by showing us that electric supercars are viable. And whether this is the future or not, you can't argue with the performance figures. I predict Rimac have a long future ahead of them.